Hey everyone, this is Phil and welcome to Geek Tab. Today I wanted to do a comparison versus a generic lightning cable, a certified lightning cable. I have this one from Anchor. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, just believe me, it's Anchor. Good company. And I have an original Apple one. So this one here, it's generic. There's no branding on it. Has a lot of little graphs on it. I don't know if that'll show there. Yeah, barely. Anyway, it says things like, there we go, like 30%, 60 minute approximately the charge time, 30 times faster, and all these other graphs. Very flimsy packaging. You probably get this for like $2 on Amazon or something, or Chinese warehouse, who knows. Rubber flat cable. It's really just to show you the, there we go. Actually doesn't feel as bad quality as I thought it would. It says, yeah, this is metal. Yeah, all this is metal, not plastic. All right, so I'm gonna charge my iPhone. Right now it's at 40%. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what, I'm gonna use a regular Apple outlet for all three, okay? 40%, I'm just gonna go up to 10% to see how fast it charges. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see now, the final test for the generic was about 10 minutes and 35 seconds. The certified 11 minutes and 42 seconds, and the original for 11 minutes and 33 seconds. Now, I don't know, I think this is kind of a fail. I'm gonna post it anyway, see what you guys have, what opinions you guys have on this. But I believe that the wall outlet had a lot to do with it. I guess there was no shortage of voltage passing through the wires, generic, certified, or original, due to the adapter for the wall. So I might do another video with a generic wall adapter, but still using all of these cords. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.